Gatwards, a timeless legacy of precision and heritage. Gatwards has always been about time. Established in 1760 by James Gatward in Hitchin, it began as a specialist in watches and clocks rather than focusing on fine jewellery as it does today. During its inception, only churches, great houses and a privileged few could afford timepieces. By the 1800s, time was brought to Hitchin via carriage clocks and later made even more accessible with the advent of the railway. Gatward's early days saw the family's love for timekeeping. James Gatward's son, Benjamin, a formal apprentice, took over the business. His son, John, expanded into ironmongery, leaving marks all over Hitchin with his name on manhole covers. Despite a devastating fire in 1853 that claimed their ironmongery and his wife, the Gatwards rebuilt, adding a foundry extending back to Paynes Park. Cornelius Gatward, who inherited the business after John, bought the current Gatwards building for £1,300, expanding the offerings to include jewellery. The last Gatward clock was crafted under Bradley Gatward, an avid music lover whose passion kept the business thriving through lean times. World events never overshadowed Gatward's local focus. During World War II, the workshops pivoted to produce aviation parts. Wilson Gatward, steering the company through the Great Depression and war, kept the family spirit alive. Anna and Lisa Gatward, stepping in while still in school after their father's passing, maintained the familial ethos for over 52 years. Today, under the leadership of Charlotte Gatward, the 8th generation, Gatwards continues to offer the finest diamonds, gems, jewellery and watches. Charlotte, drawing from her expertise gained at the International Gemological Institute in Antwerp, is passionate about shop local initiatives. Gatward's professional and knowledgeable staff guide customers in their purchases, continuing a long tradition of excellence and personal service. The directors travel globally to source the best products, ensuring the highest standards are met. With over 260 years of history, Gatwards remains a family business. From its historic corner in Hitchin's marketplace, it treasures its past while looking toward the future. The legacy of Gatwards thrives, welcoming the second and third generations of long-time customers and continuing to serve the community with dedication and care. Gatwards of Hitchin, where time and tradition meet.